Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to use a useful app which is very useful and easy for video editing. The name of the app is inshot app, which is very easy to use. First you have to click on the video option to create a video or edit a video. Then you have to click on the new video, then select a video you have to edit. Then you have to select one two three so much videos which you want to edit. I select one video for showing you how to edit this video. First you have to remove the logo of the app, which is free to remove when you are edit the video in the offline mode. So this will take 7 or 10 seconds to remove the logo from the video in the offline mode. When you are using online mode or your data is on, then you have to watch a video. Okay, so first you have to mute your video, or you can increase the volume up to 200%. Then there are some option then we have to use, like the aspect ratio. We can change the ratio of the video. If we are creating a short video, then we can use the ratio according to the app. Like for YouTube we can use 9 into 16 ratio. For Instagram we can use 4 into 5 ratio. For long videos we can use 16 into 9 ratio. And there are some more ratios according to which we can change the size or ratio of any video. So first we have to remove the logo of the app. Then we have to choose the ratio, in which ratio we are editing our video. Then there are some options like stickers. We can add the stickers. And then we have the audio effect. We can add some music, we can voice over. There are AI speech and there are some effects we can use. Then we have the sticker option. In this we have, there are so many stickers we can use, like the social media stickers and the smileys, emojis, and there are so many emojis. Then we can add the text. Okay, then captions. And then we have some effects, like we can change the color, background, and the contrast and brightness, and so much effects we can use to change or make our video so interesting and beautiful. Then there is a option PIP, which means picture in pictures. So we can add a video to the given video, and we can add a picture to a given video. Okay, then there is a option of pre-cut, or then we have a delete option and a split option. Split option gives us so many parts. Then we have a background option. By using background option we can change the color of our video background, and we can add any background to it. Okay, then we have the speed option. We can increase the speed of the video. Then we have a animation option. In this option we have so many filters. We can change the whole video presentation. Okay, like swipe up, swipe down. Okay, then we have the AI cut. Then we have a crop option. We can crop the video or photo. Then we have switch option. We can switch any two clips. Then we have a cutout option. And there are so many options, like we have a voice effect. We can add so many voices and change the voices. Then we have a rotate option. Then we have a duplicate option. In the rotate option we can rotate video, photo, anything. Then we have a freeze option, then a reverse option. So there are so many option, filters, effect given in this app. This app is the most easiest app to use. After editing our video we can click on the export option, and there are so many video quality. We can select the video quality according to our mobile. Okay, Then click on the export and our video should be ready in 20 to 30 seconds, or it will take 1 minute. It depends on the size of the video we are editing or converting. Okay, so that's all about the today's video. I hope you enjoy this video and learn how to use the InShot app. Like and share this video.